So next topic is chain based index. See, previously we have discussed regarding price index numbers, and in test of consistency we have quantity index and value index formulas. Apart from that, what we have: chain based index, fixed base index, splicing, base shifting, and we have consumer price index. So now we are discussing chain based index and fixed base index formulas. See, these are 4 marks questions which are most important, and in competitive exams also you have a chance of getting one formula or any one bit from this topic. So you need to remember certain steps while doing chain based index problems. Step 1, we need to write first value as it is at the time of question. I will show you what we are doing, why we have taken in this way. Then you have to find link relative column. Link relative is current FBA, means fixed base index, into 100 divided by previous fixed base index. Here FBI means fixed base index. Okay. CBI is chain based index. So don't think Central Bureau of Investigation and Federal Bureau, not like that. Chain based index and fixed base index. So these are the names which you have to remember to find chain based index. So how you'll get the question? Convert fixed base into chain based index in that way. FBI to CBI. So we have to remember these formulas. First value as it is. Link relative, we have to find current FBI into 100 divided by previous FBI. These formulas are helpful in finding that problem. Then chain index. At the end, what we will do to find chain index? Current link relative into last year chain index divided by 100. How to use this formula? I will show you at the time of problem. After this, I will show that. Fixed base index. To find fixed base index from chain base, see, this is FBI to CBI, means we are finding chain base index. Result, this is result. So resultant is chain index. CBI means chain index. Here fixed base means we are converting CBI to FBI. Okay, these are the two formulas which you have to remember. First value as it is, FBI only one formula we have. Current chain index into last year FBI divided by 100. Here you have to find link relative, then you have to find chain index. Now you have to remember this formula, then based on that we have some problems. Convert fixed base index into chain base index. See, we have to convert FBI into chain base. So resultant is chain base index. So you need to remember we have to find chain base index. So what is the method given to you? What are the formulas I have given to you? First, whatever year you have to write as it is, year. Whatever given, fixed base index. Next we have a formula, link relative. What is the formula of link relative? Current FBI divided by previous FBI. Into 100, or you can remember, I'll write short form in order to complete this question here. Link relative equals to, LR is link relative, keep in mind, current year FBI into 100 divided by previous FBI. Then after link relative, what we have? Chain base index. Chain index or chain base index equals to current LR into chain index last year divided by 100. How to calculate? I'll show this. So what you have to do to find chain base index, you have to form two columns, link relative as well as chain base index, CBI. Okay. Now here is 1970. Then we have 1971, 1972, 1973. 376, 392, 408, 380, 392, 400. So first value as it is. First value as it is means we'll write 376 and 376 as it is in both the cases. First value as it is. You need to know the formula, working rule which I have given to you before problem. Then link relative we are finding here FBI. Whatever FBI is there, current FBI 392. Into 100 divided by previous is previous FBI is this one 376. Whatever answer is there, we have to write down that answer here. Multiply 392 into 100 and 376, that is 104.25. Then same thing, FBI, whatever FBI is there, 408 into 100 divided by previous FBI. Don't take these values. Previous FBI means this 392 equals to 104.08. Then we have 380 into 100 divided by 408. Same thing, 392 into 100 divided by 380. Then 400 into 100 divided by 392. So the answers are 93.4, 103.15 and 102.04. Then we have to find this CBI equals to current link relative into last year CBI. CBI means here only, last year CBI 376 divided by 100. So you will get approximate 392. 391 points one is 392, you can write. Then current year LR, this value 104.08 into last year CBI means this one is a link relative. We have to take last year CBI 392 divided by 100. So what you will get? 408. This is coincidence. You will not get all the time same answers. Then 93.4 into previous value divided by 100. You will get 380. Same thing again, 103.15 into previous value 380 divided by 100. Then current value 102.04 into previous value divided by 100 equals to 400. So this is converting FBA into chain based index. Again, you can have this one. Here FBI is given in the question. You have to find link relative column by using this formula, and chain based index formula you have to consider to get this column. (1997, 1998, 1999, 2000, 100, 120, 90, 100, 125. Year, CBI. We have to convert CBI to FBI, means we have to find fixed base index. So fixed base index formula you can write fixed base index equals to current chain into previous FBI divided by 100. 1996, 1997. So we have 100, 120, 90, again 100, 125. So current CBI, whatever CBI value we can write as it is. So first value always as it is. This formula is applied to from second value onwards. Current CBI means this value, current value, into previous FBI. Previous FBI means this is CBI. Previous FBI is this 100 divided by 100. This is 120. Then current value into previous FBI divided by 100. So this will be 108. Then again same thing, current into previous divided by 100. See, everything depends upon the formula which we are using. 125 into previous value 108 divided by 100. So what is the value? Using calculator, multiply and divide by 100. You will get some decimals, avoid decimal values, write on the perfect value in this one. So we have converted CBI to FBI. Previous question we did FBI to CBI in that previous one. Now base shifting, one of the most easiest thing we have. Base shifting index. So 12th one. prepare new index taking 92 as base. Year, index. Nineteen 1991, 1992, 100, 108, 120, 150, 210, 225, 240. So base shifting, just what you need to remember is, we'll write year, index, prepare new index taking 1992 as base. Index 1992 as base means we are shifting the base. Just you have to write in this way, 1992 as base. 1990, take some gap, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 100, 108, 120, 150, 210, 225, 240. Base year is 92. Take the 92 value. What is 1992 value? 1992 value is 120. So all values are divided by 120 and multiplied by 100. So 108 divided by 120 into 100. 120 is also multiplied by 120 into 100. 150 is multiplied to 120 into 100. 210 multiplied to 120 into 100. And 225 divided by 120 into 100. 240 divided by 120 into 100. See, this one you can do as working and you can do separately, and you can write just values here, or in this column only take some big column, then take all the values. Suppose if the base year is 93, that time 150 you should divide to all values and multiply by 100. Now because 1992 is base year, so whatever base year value, 1992 is base, so 1992 base value is 120. So index value 120 should divide to all the values and multiply them by 100. So what you will get if you do in this way, this one is 83.33, this is 90. If you will multiply and divide by 120, this is 100, this is 125. Whatever we are shifting base here, that becomes 100. After cancelling, you will get 100. Or you can multiply and divide by using calculator. In that way you can get this one, base shifting. Okay.